Did you know onion juice can promote hair growth? If you're dealing with hair loss, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore how to use this home remedy effectively, without the onion smell lingering on you. Onion juice offers incredible health benefits for your hair. It can stop different types of hair loss, whether autoimmune, nutritional, or fungal. Onions are rich in sulfur, an essential building block for keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. They are also high in quercetin, which aids in boosting hair follicle growth hormones. This remarkable compound combats autoimmune hair loss and protects your scalp from yeast and fungal infections. To use onion juice for hair growth, start by chopping one red onion. Blend it thoroughly, then strain it through cheesecloth to extract the juice. Massage the juice into your scalp during your shower. Leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, do not rinse immediately. Afterward, rinse and shampoo twice to completely remove any onion smell. For optimal results, do this twice per week over 4 to 6 weeks. You may notice tangible hair growth by week 3 or 4. To amplify the benefits of onion juice, consider adding 5 drops of rosemary oil. A 2015 trial showed rosemary oil's effectiveness matches leading alopecia treatments. Its anti-inflammatory properties help increase blood circulation to your scalp. Fermenting onion juice can further enhance its effectiveness. Mix the juice with 8 ounces of water, a teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey in a jar. Cover it with cheesecloth and let it ferment at room temperature for 72 hours. This process boosts the quercetin content, maximizing hair growth potential. If hair loss is a concern, supplementing with 10,000 to 20,000 IU of vitamin D can be highly beneficial. Maintaining a healthy diet is equally important. Now that you've learned about the power of onion juice for hair growth, don't forget to try it out. Keep your hair healthy with natural solutions. Thank you for watching. I hope this information about onion juice for hair growth helps you on your journey. Be sure to subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.